darn tire. These darn tires like to fall, and I only need them in wheat. Let's go cut some soybeans. Come on. Header's working good now. Oh, let's hope we have a good day today. Well, we choked up again, but I found a problem that's also not helping. I got two guards broken right there in the middle, and I think it's not cutting like it. Well, I know it's not cutting like it should, and I think that's why it's getting a little bunched up in the middle. Pull this crap out of here. Normally the darn reel, I could get it to rake this crap out, but it would not do it this time. And that's definitely the problem, these guards. It wasn't just the guards, it was a lot of other problems, but the guards would help if they got replaced. Man. Holy moly. See, this one you gotta take the darn, well maybe not. Yeah, you gotta take the blades off just to get this guard out. So you just, well, maybe I didn't jinx myself. Oh. No, but you gotta be very careful, they'll cut you, and it just did. Got me good. Do not play with these blades, they will get you every time. Oh, I need a band-aid. Need a band-aid. Get this guard on without, and then slide the blades in. So we will slide that in there. All right, here we go. Now we got them two in there. Grab us a new bolt. Grab us a new nut. And do that 3 more times. Then tighten the bolt and nut for the guards. And we'll be back rolling, and hopefully no more problems without getting blood everywhere. Good and tight. It's very, very, very easy to break off the bolts and nuts with impact. So you're better off just using a ratchet. We got both guards. Make sure we don't leave them on the header and freaking send them through the darn combine, because that will not be good. Put them in there for now until they go into a scrap pile. Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully that was the last issue. My sunglasses off, they're full of sweat. Oh, this air conditioner feels nice. We're gonna have fun this time, or what? Alright. Pick this up on the ground. Oh, too much, too much, too much. Come on. Go in. it does seem to be better, doing a little bit better, or actually quite a bit better. So we'll just keep on trying. I kind of played with my reel too, got it in a different position. See if that helps. Nope. God darn. Today's just not gonna be a great day. Y'all gonna see me struggle a lot today. The 3 fingers I just put in the drum, that piece down there, is already coming out. So I'm pretty sure we're about to have to mid-season pull this drum out and fix everything. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Lots of fun. Great video. Great video. Oh lordy. Man. I need to say more prayers or something. Got the header set off on the trailer. About to look at it, but I think we'll need to take it to the shop and use the skid steer if we get to pull it out. All right, it is a few hours later. We won't have to take the drum out of the header and replace all that stuff. They make replacement kits to do that. Like the plastic pieces that hold the fingers that are in there, you cannot take them out unless you cut them off. But they make some that will go around it, which is good. So we don't have to do that. So we'll be able to do all the repairs right here in the field, hopefully, unless something is just absolutely screwed. So yeah, so it's about 3 hours later probably since the last clip. We done ran to Alamo, 2 counties across or whatever, and got parts. And Gunner's about to pull up in his truck with tools. So yeah, so I'll try to film some of this and get it fixed, but yep. Well, I take it back. About to get under the header, set it on the ground, let the reel all the way up because the drum does have to be pulled out. So we're gonna try to pull it out here. And if the cam in there, everything's gonna be timed. So we may let John Deere do that, time it, and we just pull it out, put it back in. Save some money on labor hours. So try to do this holding the camera. Pretty difficult too. Normally that down there would be clean, but I'm not about to run or anything, so. And pick up and wiggle, and I'll try to do what I can on this end. Here, use it. I'll try to. Oh yeah. There she is. Whew. There's the hammer. She's out. She's about to roll down. Maybe. Hold on, let me pick mine. Alright, we want to try to pick it up and get it out of here? Or
just let it roll a little bit.
We need to pick it up now. God, this sucker probably weighs 300 pounds. Oh, what a freaking day. We got her out. We probably need to try to pick it up. Hold on. Grab one of these holes.
I can't. I mean, I ain't got any of.
God. And we wonder why our back hurts. Well, boys and gals, there's a drum out of a header. piece of junk. I think Gunner's about to back up right here. I think he thinks we're just me and him about to pick this up and put it in the back of his truck. I don't think so, but we'll try. Watch your mirror. You're good. Keep coming. All right, that should be good. Pick up your legs, not your back. Bend them legs. Yeah, it ain't really that heavy.
3, 2, 1.
Can't pick up any higher. Maybe too high.